Hello. Have you ever thought that you can grow vegetables, fruits, and tubers with just a small yard and some discarded containers? Today I will use a 20-liter water tank to grow tomatoes. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Tomatoes not only provide nutrition, but are also good for the digestive system, beauty, and very easy to prepare delicious dishes for the family. I will show you how to sow tomato seeds very easy and unique. You just need to find a suitable nursery pot, put soil in it, and take seeds from ripe tomatoes. Spray water evenly and leave the nursery pot in a cool place. While waiting for the tomato seeds to germinate, I will proceed to make a container to plant them in. Today's container is a 20-liter barrel with drainage holes to avoid waterlogging, and take out 1/4 of the barrel to have space to grow tomatoes. To make an automatic green fertilizer system, I used a 1.5-liter plastic bottle. I removed the cap and punched holes in the bottom of the bottle so that nutrients could easily drain out. Automatic watering system. I will make a connection between the absorbent towel and the plastic bottle together so that water can easily seep in to keep the plants moist. Tomatoes are taproot plants and need a lot of nutrients. So when preparing the soil, I use both rice husks and vermicompost mixed with the soil for planting. When putting soil in the container, one side is a plastic bottle of water, the other side is a bottle of kitchen compost. With this automatic watering and nutrition method, we do not spend much time and can easily control them. Everything is ready, the seeds germinate well, and we start planting them. We need to take advantage of green manure from vegetables and fruits. Green manure is both cheap and non-toxic, so after planting, put it in a container. And remember to add water to the automatic watering can. After 10 years of planting, the tree has grown healthily. I will prune the excess branches at the base to concentrate nutrients for the tree and loosen the soil to support better metabolism. After fertilizing the tree, I will add more soil to the base, helping the roots to grow well, metabolize, and the tree will not lean or fall. To help the plant have enough energy to grow and flower, I use liquid organic fertilizer made from marine fish. Mix it with water to water the plant. This fertilizer helps the plant absorb nutrients immediately after watering. And now that the tree has flowered, we cut off all unnecessary branches at the base to avoid losing nutrients to the tree. At this stage, the tree needs a lot of nutrients to bear fruit. Therefore, in addition to fertilizing with vermicompost, I also use honey mixed with water to water the tree. Honey is nutritious and has the ability to resist pests and diseases. To stimulate better fruit set and repel insects, I use lemon juice mixed with water and spray evenly on the plants. It's great that after just 45 days we can enjoy the fruits of our labor with large, ripe tomatoes. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to live and subscribe to my channel. Good luck.